Alrighty, we are back with another video for you guys, giving you weekly meal ideas for your vegan diet. Nutritious, delicious, perfect meals that we have weeded through the internet and cookbooks to bring you. So you don't have to try a million recipes. You can just try the ones we give you because you know they're a banger. So this is, what? What is this? Eggplant Tagine of some sort, but what kind?
Moroccan.
Oh, Moroccan. Okay,
yeah.
Awesome. So, oh yeah, look how beautiful this looks. The eggplant tagine. You see that couscous under there? Ooh, just imagine biting into this. Look at that eggplant. If you guys could smell this, well, you could. If you made it, baby. Let's get it. Let's go ahead and hear how we achieve this.
Yes. So we've done a tagine before, but it's been in the Instant Pot with butternut squash. This one is a stovetop recipe made with eggplant. So eggplant's gonna cook a little bit faster, so that's why we don't need the Instant Pot for this one.
Eggplant column, baby.
So this one will be made with onion, garlic, of course, bell pepper, eggplant, as the name suggests. It's supposed to have celery, but our grocery store was weirdly completely out of celery. Like,
who doesn't have celery?
It is super bizarre. I might throw some carrots in there or something just to add a little bit more to it, but we'll see. Chickpeas we'll throw in there, some diced tomatoes, and then we'll serve it up with some couscous cooked in a homemade veggie broth, and we'll also throw a cinnamon stick in there for a little bit of extra flavor.
Awesome, sounds good to me. Sorry about the noise in the background. I just turned that off. It's our AC. The heat is kicking out there, and we have our AC on. But you will not hear that noise in our second meal, which you will see momentarily. All right, meal number 2, we have a roasted red pepper curry, which Chrissy is doing her own roasted red peppers. Look at this beauty. Roasted red pepper curry with our own curry sauce this time. There it is. I was trying to dig to get to the rice. But look at this. Beautiful. If you could smell it. You can smell it though. You just gotta do it. Just do it. She is gonna go ahead and explain to you how we achieve that.
Yeah. No jarred crap for this one. Well, I mean, some canned crap. But no jarred roasted red peppers because it is so easy. It's so beneficial to make yourself. Really all you have to do is just take your whole red peppers, throw them in the oven for like 25 minutes, and then they'll be beautifully roasted, blistering, delicious. Nutritious. So we'll make our own curry sauce for this with the roasted red peppers, some coconut milk, a can of diced tomatoes, and then some curry powder, other spices thrown in there. And then for the actual base of the curry, we'll do garlic, ginger, onion, of course, some chickpeas, chopped sweet potatoes, and then we'll finish it off with some baby spinach.
Awesome. So we are doing our own curry sauce this week. On our previous video, which you should go check out, we got 11 previous videos that you could all go check out. We were using a canned curry sauce, and we said sometimes it gets made in-house, sometimes it doesn't. This time, the work is getting put in, baby.
Oh, yeah.
So we will let you know.
Hardly any work.
Yeah, that's the thing with these videos. Nothing is too crazy impossible. If we're doing it, it's nothing impossible because we are not professional chefs.
Nope.
We both work full time.
Yep.
And Missy Chrissy's getting after it in the kitchen. And you guys can too. So we will see you momentarily for meal number 3.
Woo.
Alrighty, meal number 3. We have sun-dried tomato and chickpea sliders. Alright, here's our little zucchini burgers. And some sweet potato fries. A little bit of a dipping sauce. Beautiful.
Yes.
We are going to have Chrissy explain to us how we accomplish that.
Yep. So for this one, it's going to be kind of a burger type meal, except it's going to be no bun. So the zucchini actually will be the bun.
Oh, really?
Uh-huh.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Interesting.
I know. Very interesting. And
So they're going to be tiny then, huh?
well, we don't have to make them tiny. But they could
Are you cutting them this way though?
Cutting them this way and then so like in half and then that way. So one of the zucchinis is actually gonna go into the actual patty along with the chickpeas, the onion, and the mushroom, and the other one will be our like buns. I don't know. We'll see how it works out.
Yeah, then we'll probably just eat the patty straight up as usual.
And then we'll have some sliced tomato on there as well, on top of the sun-dried tomatoes in the patties. And then, of course, we gotta put some balsamic vinegar in this one because it's sort of Italian inspired. So should be good.
And I love balsamic vinegar.
We'll throw some rice in with this one too, just because for more calories. But
yep. Typically, anytime we do bun or bread or wraps or things of that nature, they end up becoming just a bowl. Tacos turns into a bowl because I keep saying it over and over, but it's because I got that dog in me and I like to eat like a dog, baby. I like to just shovel that stuff down, get those calories in, consume as much food as possible in one sitting.
Okay, but something that I actually bought because I thought it'd be very cute to try for this recipe is, you know how like some burgers have those little like bamboo little toothpicks in them, like with the little curly Q on the top. Yeah. So I ordered some of those so that way we can like have a cute little presentation with the little burger.
Okay, so you guys have already seen that, so let us know.
Yeah.
In the comments if you think it was adorable or not.
I'm trying.
She's trying, alright? It's worth something. So we will see you momentarily for meal number 4.
Theme this week is peppers and chickpeas.
We always have a rotating theme, but it's not even true because we always have those staples.
I know.
Chickpeas, hemp seeds in the morning. We don't really show you guys the smoothie as often because it's the same thing every single day. Same with our oats. That will be a separate video.
Yeah. Well, sometimes.
But peppers, chickpeas, rice, and grains, mushrooms.
Yeah, sometimes it just
onions,
kind of,
garlic.
It just happens by accident that I happen to plan a lot of recipes that involve peppers for one week, or a lot of recipes that involve mushrooms for another week. It's kind of how I'm feeling.
These are all staples that we have come to know and love very much.
Yep. You can find them at any grocery store.
But we prove that you can have hundreds of variations with these plant-based staples.
It's true.
Meat eaters are always like, don't you get any variety? Meanwhile, they eat the same meal every single week. And we have proven for the 12th week in a row that we don't do too many repeat recipes, and we are going to continue to do so. Once in a while, you'll see a repeat because it's an absolute banger. Certified banger, as we like to say. Yeah. But the variation is there, and that's why we're making these videos for you guys, so that you can have variety in your life too. Anyways, meal number 4 is... It's
going to be polenta and black bean cakes.
Alright, here's our black bean polenta cakes. It's kind of hard to see, but the polenta is this hunk of guy right here. There we go. It was kind of like getting lost in the sauce there. There we go. 1, 2. Corn polenta. Let's give you a taste test, because who knows what the hell polenta is. Sure as the hell not me. That is very good.
It's really good, yeah.
It does have a slight corn type taste.
Well, I mean, it's because it is corn.
True. Interesting. Yeah, give this one a try. It's something good.
But savory cakes.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah. So this one, I was
like crab cake style, but
kinda. So basically, how you do it? So you're gonna cook the polenta, which you just add water with. And this is
normally I see polenta
in like the tube.
In the tube, which is kind of gross.
It is kind of gross, and I'm actually glad that they've had the dried polenta because usually I don't carry it, but we found it.
I see.
Thank you, Bob's Red Mill. We love you. Great stuff. So we got
our
dried.
Now we can order online for the dried instead of having the tube, because that tube is kind of disturbing.
It is weird. And for this recipe, it specifically said to use dried polenta, so that's what we'll be using. So you basically mix this with water, you cook it up until it's kind of like solidified and a little bit like kind of a sticky consistency. We're gonna throw a bunch of spices in there, some cilantro, some black beans, and then we actually let this guy cool for a little bit so it solidifies in your fridge. And then we're gonna take it out of the fridge, cut it up, and then we're gonna pan fry it in like little triangles, so it gets like nice and, you know, browned on the outside. And where the peppers and onions come in, we're gonna do this like roasted pepper and onion salsa type thing on top. So
I see.
I'm excited for this one. It should be fun, although unfortunately it is gonna take a little bit extra time because you have to let it solidify, which we were supposed to do it earlier in the week and then we can't, so it's a weekend recipe, okay?
Yeah, definitely.
When you have a little bit extra time, where you can meal prep.
2 hours to solidify. Yeah, you gotta kind of use this on a day that you have time. You notice that we use Instant recipes on the days we're most busy.
Yep.
What our busy days are going to be different from your busy days, of course. But you can use that as you need to. You don't need to go in the same order, pick and choose. You can even go through multiple videos and select what you want for the week in multiple videos and variations that we offer. But who else is doing it? Especially that's looking jacked like that. Oh, yeah, baby, we're getting after it. So this is half week for us.
But last week they got extra recipes.
So last week you did get extras. So we are only going to bring you 4 recipes this week.
It's just weird with the vacation.
Yeah, we kind of had a long, weird week. But since we only gave you half of the offerings this week, we will give you some insight on what we are sipping on. Okay, this is my staple drink. We are appropriate age. I am 28 and Chrissy's 25. So you have noticed that we're sipping on some adult beverages. And I'm going to give you the game on what I do, because this is like a staple. Every man, every grown man should at least have one mixed drink that they can make for their friends, for the ladies when they come over. However you want to play it. It is 1 shot of bourbon, 1 shot of lime juice, and 1 shot of simple syrup that is infused with cilantro and jalapeno. Okay? So really quickly, you make your simple syrup. 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, boil it until it disintegrates, and then you mix it up. Take 1 jalapeno that you cut up, take the seeds out so that you're not burning yourself.
Unless you want to be burning yourself.
Yeah, unless you want it super spicy. Take the seeds out, it's going to be spicy anyways. Cut up some cilantro, put it in there for 10 minutes, let it soak for 10 minutes, and then you strain it out, put the simple syrup in a can or a jar or a Tupperware. And now you have the best drink on planet Earth that is not healthy, but it's better than the alternatives. Okay, so once in a while, we don't drink often, but once in a while, if you want to enjoy an adult beverage, that is what you're going to do. Give it a try. But we will see you next week, because apparently this weekend we're going to do a full grocery shop again.
Yep.
We will bring you another 6 or 7 meals.
Yep.
Thank you for watching. Click through the playlist that you see at the end of this video, or if you go to my channel, you can click playlists. We have 11 previous videos. This would make number 12.
Whoa.
Yeah.
So 12.
We're grinding for you guys. You better give us a subscribe, a like, or a comment, or all 3 to show your support, because who else is doing it? We'll see you next time. Let's give them a little bit of a flex. Send them off. Boom! Let's get that at home. Let's go! We will see you next time.